everyone, we're here at VMworld and there's a very special challenge this year. It's the Evo Rail Challenge, and if you're here at VMworld, make sure you come down to the hang space and participate, because you can actually win a ticket to VMworld 2015. So guys, what's the challenge about? Whit, can you explain it a little bit?
Sure. So what we have here, the challenge is basically to take two people and put them against each other to see who can accomplish setting up an Evo Rail appliance the quickest, as well as managing and creating a VM.
So we're gonna have a quick competition. You both are unboxing the Evo Rail, and you're gonna do the Evo Rail experience, and the one who is the fastest will win.
Yes, yes. So this is the exact experience that you can expect. We're going to simulate it in real time for unboxing, plugging it in, power and networking, to exactly what you're going to see when you have it deployed in your own data center. So we're going to time each other. We'll have a exact timing. You can give me a little bit of an edge. And when we do that, hopefully within about 18 minutes or so is our record at the moment. We'll be able to show you guys the deployed VM, fully functioning vSphere cluster.
I only have one question. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready? 3,
2,
1,
go! So it's like putting in the fixed IP address of the appliance, logging onto it, and then give it a go?
Yeah, exactly like that. We give you specific IP ranges and VLANs to put into our configuration UI. It starts off being a little bit messed up, so we expect the users to go in, competitors to go in and fix it up a little bit. Once they fix it up, they hit enter, they hit go, then then we just wait. We simply wait for the appliance to boot up, and then there's a little bit more to do after that, and that's the end of the competition.
Basically, the idea is we want to be able to send this into like a branch office with maybe someone that isn't very technically savvy, right? Everything I've done here, you need to know no knowledge of VMware whatsoever. What's happening in the background is we're building a 4-node vSphere cluster, vSAN across all of the available storage, Log Insights being deployed, vCenter servers being deployed, and of course the Evo Rail management.
Like a big intelligent script that it's putting everything together and get it up and running.
That's correct. The Evo Rail engine performs most of the configuration based on the parameters that you've passed in. With that, we just set everything up for you. We set up vSAN, we set up Log Insight, and set up all the ESX hosts up for you, and you're all set to go.
So when we go and we say we're treating this as an appliance, I want to make sure that we understand that VMware is not getting in the hardware business, right? It's strictly software that we provided to our partners.
Yeah, so I've seen Dell, I've seen Fujitsu, there are others I'm sure, so it still opens up choice for the customer, but they can have this fully certified infrastructure.
Correct, and each of the partners are going to add their own value right to the product. So we're going to give them hooks via an API in the future to allow them to differentiate each other's offerings. The hardware is very prescriptive. We basically prescribed the exact hardware that we wanted to use because this is a kind of the top of the bell curve footprint that we all agreed upon. A 2U 4-node server is very well known in the industry, right? It's a great starting point. The single appliance that you see in front of you is capable of running 100 general purpose VMs or 250 VDI desktops. So fully built out at GA, it is a 16 nodes or 4 appliances. So 400 general purpose VMs or 1,000 VDI desktops.
Yeah, so that should be enough for the average branch office or a smaller business to run their entire data center even maybe.
More than enough.
I mean, if you guys want to get your hands on and you're here at VMworld, make sure you come down here and participate, and hopefully we'll see you at 2015 VMworld. But also it's on the hands-on labs, right? So people can actually try it from home even if they're there.
Absolutely, correct.
So we expect the entire creation process, the actual configuration, to take approximately 15 minutes total. Okay,
without any knowledge about vSphere, you can start deploying virtual machines within a half hour.
That's correct. That's what we expect to happen in real-world environments.
Well, so it really couldn't be simpler for anyone to, if they want to build a new infrastructure in their data center, this is really the way to go. It's one-click support, one-click licensing and buying. It really couldn't be simpler.
We have a winner! Whit was able to do it in 18 minutes!
All right, this is great. 18 minutes is pretty good considering all the...
Specific 18 and what? Okay, 1845.
1845, yeah.
1853.
Hey, but Whit, come on, man. 1845. Can this be beaten?
We've had people, we have competitors beat it so far. We've had, I think, 18 minutes. I think we maybe have another competitor who had less, but we'll see what goes on during the rest of VMworld.
Okay, so here's the challenge for all of you guys. If you think you can beat the 18 minutes or 1845, which is what the VMware guys just did, then come down next to the Hands-On Labs to the EvoRail Challenge and make sure you compete for 2015 VMworld. Thanks, guys.